how to verify your identity on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can verify your identity on Facebook. So in order to verify your identity on Facebook, all you need to do is make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, first thing first, open up or log in into your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page, which is going to look something like so. Right on this page, to verify your identity on Facebook, first of all, you need to make sure that you have valid information such as driving license, passport, or state ID and whatsoever. And you also need to be above 18 years or 18 years. So in order to verify, you'll have to tap the try bar icon, and after that you'll be able to see your account settings. So go ahead and tap the gear icon located in the top right hand side corner. While you do this procedure, you'll be able to find an option as account settings. As soon as you click the following options, you'll be taken to the page where you can actually find a link or an section as verify your identity. If you tap the button in order to verify your identity, that's going to take you to the page where you'll be asked to provide in your driving license or a pass and state ID. Once you do that, you need to confirm it by uploading a picture or taking a picture whatsoever, and basically that's how you can verify your identity on Facebook. So similarly, go through the prompt and follow the instructions, and that's going to complete your verification procedure. So in that way, you can verify your identity on Facebook. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.